Hey guys, it's Sadie, and so I do have this massager, and I couldn't find the plug for it. It takes 20.5 volts, as you can see. Oh, 25.2 volts. 25.2 volts. So 25.2 volts. That's crazy. Okay, well, so I did find this little cord that does fit in there, because we all know the middle one is usually the positive. So I found this little cord and it actually fit in there. It's one of the, it has a wide, well, I'll show you. It has a wide, it's one of the wider ones. So I lost the charger, and since I don't have a job, the best thing I could do for my roommate is do a massage. Oh, I want to go up there. So this is a 30 volt supply. Okay, we're maxing it out, I guess. So I don't think I don't want to charge it that much. I don't want to, I mean, I don't want to put that much current into it. I guess I could take it. But yeah. So, I mean, sometimes you have to improvise, but this is getting it done. But I don't throw away stuff. But the charger is here somewhere, but we want to get this working. So we're already in the green area. This is charging fast, of course, because this guy is pretty powerful. So what does it say? It takes amp-wise 600. Yeah, okay, so it says 600 milliamps, and we were up at 900. So, I mean, why don't we just make it the way it's supposed to? I mean, I'm unemployed. I have all night, so, and I have insomnia, and I have the Bloomington Police Department ruining my life. So 600 milliamps, and then we need, well, it'll, see, I have the voltage maxed out, so it will slowly get up there. We need the massage gun. So thanks for watching, and we got computers updating. We got my playlist. You guys, you can watch my playlist. And do you like any of those songs? Okay, so I've been really depressed because of the Bloomington Police Department. I have insomnia. I can't get a job because of the Bloomington Police Department. So that's why I'm not making videos. I have a lot of kits to do, but I just don't feel good. And because I don't have a job, I can't afford my hormones because of the Bloomington Police Department. Every time it goes to the background check, even for a $15 an hour warehouse, they ghost me. They won't even hire me because of the Bloomington Police Department. I have very negative, intrusive thoughts. But, you know, my life each day seems a little bit more worthless. But at least I can do massages. So thanks for watching.